Good morning to all. I am D. Sumeshwari, working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer, APSWRS Junior College at Kambalapadu in Kurnool district. Today, we will discuss about creative writing. Creative writing means what you believe it means. Creative writing is considered to be any writing, fiction, poetry, or non fiction that goes outside the bounds of normal professional, journalistic, academic, and technical forms of literature. Works which fall into this category include novels, epics, short stories, and poems. Writing for the screen and stage, screenwriting and playwriting, respectively, typically have their own programs of study but fit under the creative writing category as well. So, creative writing is anything that helps you put your thoughts and expressions on paper. That is creative writing. Creative writing considered two types: to entertain, to educate. To entertain, poetry and fiction, this belongs to entertain in creative writing, and to educate it non-fiction. In creative writing, many types are there: poetry, fiction, non-fiction, script, copywriting, blogging, etc. Creative writing means to put our thoughts and expressions on paper based on imagery or narrative writing. In imagery in narrative writing, creativity means better writing, thinking, and problem solving. When we can see one image, when number of thoughts running in our minds. So, some outcomes to express. Learning outcomes: name and describe types of imagery, appreciate and understand the importance and usefulness of imagery in narrative writing, use imagery appropriately in narrative writing. Everyone know that when we can see one image, number of thoughts running in our minds, like what type of that is and how that image indicate, like that. Use of descriptive language, adjectives or adverbs or literary devices to help the reader understand what is happening in a narrative or piece of text. Involves painting a picture through words in an expressive way, allows a reader to clearly visualize the scene being described, creates images in the mind, and appeals to the other senses. So, creative writing is any form of writing that is written more from the idea of entertaining the reader rather than informing them. Let's create an image with our words. See in this picture a small puppy we can see. The puppy's brilliant blue eyes penetrated my soul. The puppy's brown and white fur was beautifully groomed. So, creative writing means creativity, better writing, thinking. Creative writing as any form of writing that goes out of the bound of generalistic, academic, and technical writing. It is anything that helps you put your thoughts and expressions on paper, like fiction, non-fiction, poetry, drama, autobiography, memories, novels, all like this. So many types of creative writing in there: poetry, fiction, non-fiction, script, copywriting, blogging. Lastly, creative writing means better writing to present an imagery or script, memories, novels, etc. Thank you, Anandal.